Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have emails in column A? Start now. Select the first email cell and pick column B as your output. Use trim if entries may have extra spaces. This prevents errors later. Once done, enter the formula bar and type equals left, A1 find, at, A1 minus 1 to extract everything before the at symbol. This approach removes domain parts reliably when addresses contain a single at. Make sure to press enter and check the extracted username before filling down. Once the initial formula works, adapt it for robustness. Replace with equals IFR, left, trim A1 find, at trim A1 minus 1 trim A1, so entries lacking it remain unchanged. This explains why you avoid blanks or errors when data varies. Then double-click the fill handle or drag down to copy the formula for every row. Excel autofills to the last adjacent data row. After filling, use paste special values to lock results, which prevents accidental changes when source data shifts. To finish, copy the new column and choose paste special values so formulas become static text. This ensures stability. If you must remove only at Gmail. Com while keeping other domains, use equals if right trim A1, 10 equals at Gmail. Com left trim A1, len trim A1, minus 10 trim A1. If something goes wrong, check for hidden characters with clean or reveal multiple at symbols using find. Make sure to keep a backup of the original column before mass edits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.